No.
And the one that Marina has.
Peep in the pocket? Peep in her pocket?
There's a peep in her pocket.
Ooh, a bouncy ball.
Boing.
Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
Whoa, what's this? What is this?
Whoa, look at Caitlin. Wow, that's neat.
And a cup. With an Ariel cup.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Shorts for summertime.
Why does it have to be the chocolate bunny?
Uh-oh. Not,
Where's my chocolate bunny?
not the chocolate bunny. Oh, oh boy.
Yay!
Let me see.
What is this? Yay! Look like this thing.
Yeah.
What is this thing?
That is to grow your own cucumbers.
A little garden.
Whoa.
Annette.
Catch your butterflies.
Butterfly. What?
Put your ears on?
No, thank you.
No?
Put my ears on.
I did.
It's a butterfly net.
Yeah.
Jelly bean. Ooh, crazy jelly bean. Like,
No way. So cool.
what is this? Is it real?
Oh, that's for when you go to sleep at night.
Oh, I can put it on my
I
eye.
you said you wanted one?
I need one out of paper, but it broke.
I can't do it right now.
Catch some butterflies. Or
That's what I used to do with Jamie's net. Catch the butterfly off the plant.
or lightning bugs.
Maybe stop.
So, Daddy? It's Daddy. Say hi,
Did
Daddy.
you lose the connection?
Is that a big boy watch?
It is.
Awesome! My very own watch.
Mommy. What? Cool. Much ado at the zoo.
My very own frisbee.
Wow.
I'm waiting for that.
Here.
Yeah.
I can practice spiders. A tube. I want to see what
Oh,
tubes.
show Daddy. Your very own Batman watch.
I see two eggs.
Whoa.
I see two eggs behind you guys. It's
Hey,
1,
Caitlin.
7,
Look here,
1, 5.
Look here, baby.
7:15.
Oh.
Moo.
It's a floaty for going in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
What is this?
Wow.
It's a nice outfit.
I see two eggs. Cool. Can I catch them?
It's a
I don't
dinosaur
know.
Came back.
Mommy, I see two eggs. Can I get them?
No, we'll do them together. We'll do on your mark and set go, and then you guys can go, okay?
Okay.
The ugly duckling.
All right, Mark, say go. Well.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, I love that one.
Woo.
I have a
That's
shirt
what
like that.
Jamie has. Let me see, look here.
I see more Easter eggs. Look. There's one there. There's one there. There's one there.
Just keep them in your pile.
Wait, why did the Easter Bunny hide them where you like to hide them? JD, you can't get... Oh, what is that? What is this? It's a pen. I see.
Whoa. Spider-Man pen. Cool. Wow.
SpongeBob!
Cool.
Then you put that Easter egg in the bucket.
You get to shoot things. It's like a shooting gallery. And you hit the chicken and it goes,
JD?
I don't get
JD?
video games.
Okay.
maybe there's something over here.
I already have this game.
I
Are
think
you
it's a new
Yes.
one.
Yeah.
Is it the new Super Mario? Because this
Yeah.
one just came out.
Is it different?
I think it is.
Those are books.
We'll look at yours.
And I
We'll
see
look at the one that
Easter
you have, and then we'll see.
And they're puppets.
Oh. I'm gonna put this
Oh.
What Alex has.
Yeah?
You put it in the water. Look.
Color blend markers. Okay.
This is my backer.
Oh,
Cool.
Easter eggs. Eat your Easter basket.
Wow.
See what's in there.
All kinds of stuff in there.
Bubbles and a jump rope and a frisbee. Two frisbees. You guys have 3 frisbees now.
Should we?
Whoa!
bubble.
You get all those bubbles. Those are bubbles, buddy.
Should we check out to see what the Easter Bunny left in the garage?
Yes.
What could it be?
Oh, I know.
What is it?
It's that big box.
And what is it?
Ready to see what you think? Let's see. 1 second.
Why did they turn off the lights? What is it?
Ready? I'll open the garage.
Easter eggs! Don't get them. What is it? And it's my Mario swing set.
Whoa.
I'm gonna grab my Easter eggs.
Oh no. Silly Easter Bunny didn't put it together. Oh no.
Must be Pop-Pop's job.
Oh no.
Oh, I got 2. I got 4.
Yikes.
Maybe you can give him one.
Hmm?
Oh.
Oh, you can each have 3. Just
No.
one, JD. You each have 3.
Thank
It's only 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours on one.
That's fun.
Yay.
No,
Easter Bunny?
Swing set.
Holy smokes.
Wow.
And
Now
my
you don't have to fight over Alex's anymore.
Now, Caitlin, now, it's both of ours, right? Isn't it?
We need an Easter song.
Up and down the bunny trail.
Fellows.
So what's that song?
Okay, let's get real close up for Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Dad.
Happy Easter, Daddy.
Happy Easter, Daddy.
Can't wait till you come home.
Marshmallow. Now can you say ready, set, go?
30 set, go.
Yeah.
Daddy says, hey guys, happy Easter. Cool stuff. Alright, JD, dump those out. Caitlin, wait, time out. Time out.
He said ready,
Dump
set,
the
go.
eggs you have into your pink and blue buckets. Now, on your mark.